Hello friends, it's me Shrestha. How are you doing? Hope you all are safe and happy. I had kept very busy during all this lockdown time and I could not find time to shoot or edit any videos. But slowly I'm trying to get back to all the pending tasks, which included editing this video, which I actually had shot long time back. So let's get to it. I'm gonna start with taking some brown paper, which is actually from one of the flow books for paper lovers. I'm just gonna cut a few circles and you'll see how I'll use them. I think I have enough now. Moving to the next step, I have been wanting to use this alphabet punch board, which I got as a New Year's gift from my husband. I think it's by American Crafts. I am gonna be doing all the spread headings with it because I think my hand lettering is kind of bad and this will bring that uniformity across the pages. Now, about my notebook, it's a Nuuna. I really love this as it is really high quality with a very nice cover and good quality paper. I had acquired this journal a few months back and since then I've been very excited to use it. I had plans to start this notebook for bullet journaling from March and I also had shot the setup back in February but never got to editing the footage. But I think it turned out great and it's still relevant, so here it is. First page doesn't open properly, so I'll just make it as my name page. I'm starting here by pasting the circle shape I had cut before. I'm gonna take some black watercolor, mix it with some water. And now I'm painting some random florals with it. I wanted to keep the theme and style kind of minimal but feminine and sophisticated. So minimal use of color here. Finishing the artwork with some copper highlights. I think it turned out nice as I had expected. Moving on to the key page. I do use a key. I have sort of had it memorized over months of practice. But I think it's nice to have a key page since they look nice. I also wanted to try an index page this time, as I keep on introducing ad hoc spreads in between, and it would be nice to have them indexed in one place. A lot of people are using a grid guide page in the bullet journal community, and I think that's a brilliant idea, as I'm always counting grids, especially useful for this notebook as it has rather smaller grid than the regular 5 mm. It has a grid of 3.5 mm size, and this notebook is also bigger than the regular A5 size. It is around 16.5 centimeter wide and 22 centimeter tall. Painting these florals was very soothing, almost meditative. It's a bit late for a 2020 artwork, but sure, why not? I also wanted to include a vision board kind of a spread where I can collect and paste the graphics that inspire me. I can add things I wish to do, learn, experience, achieve, and whatnot. future log that starts from March because you know why? I was lazy. I'm not much of a future log user, but we'll try this time to fill in. I have always found these social media tracker graphs very useful, and one can include as many details one wishes to track. For Instagram, for example, I track number of followers at the end of the month and the number of posts I posted during the month. For YouTube, number of subscribers at the end of the month and number of month views. And you can track more, you can definitely track more things. I haven't started a dedicated Pinterest and a website, which I had initially planned. So let's leave it blank for some time. I've always messily doodled my wish lists in my bullet journal, so trying to bring some visual structure through these neat boxes. Tracking my favorite finds is another of my tracking loves. I always go back to watching my favorite movies and series again and again, so this is a great place to look for what I had already loved. I'm enrolling myself in a few courses to upskill myself in my job field, so this will be a place to track everything related to that. A place where I can track timetables, quizzes, extra study material, test dates, etc. This page I'll be recording about things I learn or read about, let's say, a new hand lettering class on Skillshare or a non-fiction book I liked or some photography tricks or art learning, etc. A flexible page. Guys, this was my new bullet journal setup. I'm so happy with the results. The graphics, the consistency I was able to keep throughout. So I'm really happy. I hope you enjoyed watching it and got inspired. I would love to connect with you. Please feel free to comment and follow me on Instagram through the link down below. Bye for now.